Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not. Hello everyone, welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope you are all well. Before we get into today's video, can you please please subscribe? We're trying to grow the channel, you know the crack, we're doing well. And the things I'm going to talk about today is just my own personal moves, my own thoughts on things. You must do your own due diligence. I am not a financial advisor and all of that jazz. Okay, so this video is just about the big hitters, some of the stocks that I have. We're going into earnings week. It's an exciting time. I'm a big believer in that you can play the earnings. I'm going to talk about my strategy and the types of things that I'm going to try and do, look out for, and hopefully capitalize on earnings week. So Netflix kicked off the FAANG stock earnings reporting. We've got Facebook coming up, we've got Apple coming up, we've got Amazon coming up, we've had Netflix, and now we've got Google, and that's what, or Alphabet as it's known now, but that's what FAANG stands for, if people don't know that. I had to Google it once upon a time. So that's the FAANG stocks, guys. Without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, guys, I'm just going down my 212 portfolio list. These are in no particular order, but the first one up is Facebook. Results out January 27th. Okay, so what are we expecting? Bit of a mixed bag, really. You know, they're going to expect their ad revenue to be up and strong demand for Oculus 2, which is going to be the positives, really. The main concern that I have with Facebook is the whole issues with WhatsApp and the privacy issues. A lot of people are moving to different platforms for their WhatsApp privacy, and I think privacy is really come under scrutiny a lot recently. So that to me is worrying. Double leveraged up on these guys here. So as it stands, guys, I am up 1%, which is absolutely dire. Unfortunately, guys, when I bought into Facebook, it was last quarter, just after the last earnings on the dip, and things were going well, and then sort of they dipped massively sort of at the start of this month. They have crawled back a bit, so I'm hoping, guys, by maybe Monday, Tuesday, that I'll get a bit more out of it. But that's been a bit of a crappy 3 months for me on the Facebook dream. But the intentions will be to sell up my position on that, and I won't be rebuying back in. So Facebook, all being well, I'll come out of it with maybe a 5 to 10% gain, but I will be selling, and I will be ideally doing that on Monday, but failing that Tuesday. Okay, so no particular order. Apple, I'm 2 times leveraged up on Apple as well. Believe in the stock. You know, I bought at the dips of the last quarter, and I've been holding it ever since. So this quarter, riding up to it. Currently, I'm sitting just over 34% up. So it's been great to me. No intentions of not trading with Apple, but I will play the earnings. Earnings are due to come out on the Wednesday, Monday or Tuesday, wherever we can get it up to. I'll be pulling it out. Ideally, I like to do it on the Monday at all-time highs, but failing that, I will roll into Tuesday and see how that goes. Morgan Stanley have advised that the investors that they've spoke to believe that they will release solid but not great quarterly results. They disagree, however, and believe that Apple is likely to report all-time record quarterly revenue and earnings. Overall, their December quarter revenue, 108.2 billion, is 5% above consensus. So they believe it's looking good. D.I. Davison looks delicious and put his price target at 133 under review. A.B. Bernstein is saying that they expect them obviously to do well. We struggle to see case for material outperformance in Apple, so it's a bit of a mixed bag there. Doesn't really matter too much about what they report in earnings, because my plan is to be out of it, hopefully at an all-time high on Monday and Tuesday. I will sit out of it for a week and we'll see what way it goes. Thing is, guys, earnings come out and they smash it, and this thing goes on the throb. Well, so be it. You know, I've missed out on it. It's just the way that it goes. However, if it goes down, and then I'm able to buy back in. So that's my plan, guys. Tesla's next on my list, guys. I'm 2 times leveraged up on these bad boys, and I have been for a while. Been nothing but good to me, as you can expect. They've done nothing but throb, and when you're doubling that up into 2 times leverage, it equates to high percentages. So I'm going to try and sell these guys. I've held them through earnings, I've held them through battery days, and I have been gaped afterwards big time. Just pulls back. Everybody knows they're going to smash their targets. I don't expect them not to. The only doubt that's in my mind is the fact that Netflix recently submitted their earnings and it's smashed it and they throbbed. Could this be the same for the likes of Tesla? But look, they've had such a high run. I've done so well out of them. I'm content, and I've made this decision weeks ago that I'm going to sell up and see if I can rebuy back in at a discount. So look, that's the case I'm going to do. Rightly or wrongly, guys, I'm going to sell Tesla ideally Monday/Tuesday, depending on where it gets up to. If it gets all-time highs on Monday, I'm out. If it's not, I'll maybe roll into Tuesday, but I expect this to ride right up until earnings, and then I'm going to sell. Could be wrong, guys. It might even throw up initially on the day, but because I'm in the 2 times leverage, I need to comply with the trading hours, which is UK time, so I do have to make a decision on this one. But my plan, guys, is to sell, but there's no doubt in my mind that they're going to smash targets. If you're a long-term holder in Tesla, there's no problems keeping it and just maybe buying a dip if there is a dip. My plan is sell high and hopefully buying low. That's the theory, but I'm buying back into Tesla, no doubt. Tesla's been absolutely great to me. I have been day trading, swing trading. I have been doing all sorts with Tesla over the time. I've got a good healthy position. I'm up over 125% currently. Well, there you go, guys. That's the video. So that's the way I'm going to play it. Some I'm betting off long term. Too many stocks, as I've talked about in other videos. Some have got to go. Facebook, goodbye, good riddance. It's been fine. It's a good stock. It'll be fine for people holding long term. I'm not trying to put down Facebook, but it's just not for me, and that's okay. Quarter to quarter, swing trading, things can change, and Facebook's one of them. Apple, Tesla, it's goodbye for a short period, but I will be buying back in, no doubt. What's your thoughts? Do any of you try to play earnings, or are you just going to keep them long term? Absolutely no problem doing that. It's a good way sometimes just to be able to put the money in, buy dips. I'm not here to tell you what way is right or wrong. I'm just doing what I'm doing, trying to capitalize. Sometimes you get burned, sometimes you don't. You know what it is, guys. It's exciting. I enjoy it, so that's the main reason why I'm doing it. Either way, I think we're going to win with these types of stocks anyway. So hope you found the video informative. If you have liked it, please hit the like button, please hit subscribe, and kind of good. You know the crack. And until next time.
Coincidence.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.